of the Parliament session, of the monsoon session that could take place in the month of July. Probably by the end of July and will continue till mid of August. This is a significant development as India is fighting coronavirus. A proposal that has been put forth by the Rajya Sabha chairman and Lok Sabha as well could convene in the Central Hall. So because of the pandemic and the lockdown, even the budget session of the Parliament could not be completed. And as far as the monsoon session of Parliament is concerned, though the dates officially are not out, but what according to sources we are getting to know that by the end of the month of July till mid-August, we are expecting that the Parliament session, the monsoon session will be convened. So these are the latest updates as we wait for a more confirmation on the dates yet that have still not been put out. But we are getting to know that the Parliament session of the monsoon session could now take place in the month of July. This is coming across as a significant development as India is fighting coronavirus, and it is expected that by the month of July, India will be at its peak of the cases that are being reported. A proposal that has now been prepared by the Rajya Sabha chairman and also the Lok Sabha could convene in the Central Hall. Welcome back. We continue giving you more details of the Parliament session, the monsoon session, which is likely to take place in a month of July. And the proposal for the resumption is being drafted as we get you more details of the Parliament session that may start from the end of July onwards and continue till the mid of August. And it is being said that both houses will sit on alternate days. Our executive editor Abhishek Kapoor is with us to give us what is this proposal all about. Abhishek, if you can share the details and the timings as we are expecting by the end of July when the monsoon session of Parliament will be held.
Well, yes, Amita. So, like everything else, even Parliament sessions have been impacted by COVID, and a meeting of the chairman of Rajya Sabha, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla had taken place yesterday, where they discussed the modalities of how to go ahead with the monsoon session. So one proposal was to have an e-Parliament. That is something with the modalities of which would be worked out in terms of keeping confidentiality norms and technology to make sure that that happens. But what has been decided is that in July, when the monsoon session meets, by which time Unlock 2 would have kicked in place and much of the travel restrictions would have been removed and the MPs could travel. The suggestion is that since the Lok Sabha has more members, the sitting of Lok Sabha would shift to the Central Hall of Parliament, which is larger in size, and the Rajya Sabha, which is smaller, that would move to the Lok Sabha chamber, which is a little larger, to accommodate the less number of Rajya Sabha members. And both the houses would sit on alternate days. So, for example, if the Lok Sabha meets on Monday, the Rajya Sabha would meet on Tuesday, and then that would continue. So that's how the modalities have been decided in the meeting that took place between the two leaders of the respective houses. And the instructions have been given to make sure that so far as the standing committees and other committees of Parliament are concerned, their meetings, because even now most of the MPs cannot travel, are allowed to happen by virtual means through through the softwares, but then keeping confidentiality in mind. So I believe our nation is going to see for the first time virtual meetings of standing committees of Parliament, and then due to COVID impact, alternate days sitting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, with the Lok Sabha moving to the bigger Central Hall and the Rajya Sabha moving to the chamber of the Lok Sabha.
All right, Abhishek, thanks very much for the update. So we are waiting for the official announcement, the dates that are yet to be announced of the monsoon session of Parliament. If it takes place by the end of July, that has been the proposal set forth by the Rajya Sabha chairman and the Lok Sabha speaker as well. Thanks.